Number 1 rule. Always have adult supervision near the stove. Before you start, wash your hands. Use a giant heavy frying pan. Add some oil. Coat the pan evenly. Turn the stove to medium-high in heat. Carefully check that the oil is hot enough. Then add your chicken. Stir to coat with oil and spread it evenly in the pan. Measure out a dime-size onion powder and a quarter size of garlic powder. Add half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. Sprinkle the spices over the chicken and stir well. Sprinkle a good amount of chicken seasoning and stir well. Turn the heat up and let it cook, stirring occasionally until chicken is browned. Dump the chicken into a medium-sized bowl. Then add about 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. Add the vegetables and spread evenly. Dump some chicken seasoning on them and stir until coated. Turn up the heat and let them cook until nice and caramelized, not quite burnt, stirring every once in a while. Add the chicken back into the pan. Add about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder and a cup of water. Stir until mixed well, then let it coat and cook down. Turn off the stove and enjoy.